Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into the present continuous tense. By the end of this video, you'll know how to form it, when to use it, and you'll have plenty of examples to practice with. Let's get started. The present continuous tense. The formation. First, let's talk about the formation of the present continuous tense. It's really simple. You just need two things. The present tense of the verb to be, which is am, is, or are, and the base form of the main verb plus ing. Let's break it down. Examples: subject plus am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. I am eating. You are studying. He, she, it is running. We are playing. They are working. See, it's that easy. Now, let's move on to when we use the present continuous tense. The use. We use the present continuous tense in several situations. Here are the main ones. Actions happening right now. Example: I am watching this video. Explanation: this describes what you are doing at the exact moment of speaking. Temporary actions. Example: she is living in London for a few months. Explanation: this action is happening for a limited period of time. Future plans or arrangements. Example: we are meeting friends for dinner tonight. Explanation: this describes something that is planned or arranged for the future. Trends and changing situations. Example: more people are using electric cars these days. Explanation: this describes something that is currently changing or developing. Let's take a closer look at some examples for each use. Action happening right now. I am explaining the present continuous tense. Temporary actions. They are staying at a hotel until their house is ready. Future plans or arrangements. She is visiting his grandparents next weekend. Trends and changing situations. Technology is advancing rapidly. And now let's take a test. Now it's your turn. Let's practice forming some sentences together. I'll give you a subject and a verb, and you try to form the present continuous tense. Ready? Subject: she. Verb: read. She is reading. Subject: they. Verb: dance. They are dancing. Subject: I. Verb: cook. I am cooking. Great job! Remember, the key to mastering the present continuous tense is practice. Keep making sentences, and soon it will become second nature. That's all for today's lesson on the present continuous tense. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.